the ratio of Eric's stickers to Simon's stickers was 6:5. Eric gave 20% of his stickers to Simon, and Simon in return gave 50% of his stickers to Brian. As a result, Brian's stickers increased by 50%. If Brian has 180 more stickers than Eric in the end, how many stickers did Eric have at first? Now, to do this question, you need to understand that for the first part of change, where Eric gave 20% to Simon, this is an internal transfer problem where the total must remain the same. Alright, so we can tackle that first. So Eric is to Simon 6:5. Alright, so Eric gave 20% of his stickers to Simon. So 20% of Eric's units is 6 units. Okay, this was given away. 20% change it to fraction, 20 out of 100. Off means times 6 units. Alright. So this is just 1/5 times 6 units, which is just 1.2 units. Okay? So Eric gave away 1.2 unit. Gave to whom? He gave it to Simon. So Simon, you have to add 1.2. And then at the end, 6 minus 1.2, that would be 4.8 units for Eric that's left. 6.2 units for Simon that's left. Okay, so what happened next was Simon in return gave 50% to Brian. 50% of this, let's try and calculate that right now. 50% of 6.2 units now. Because Simon gave away 50%, right, later on to Brian. So 50%, change it to fraction, 50 out of 100. Off means times 6.2 units. So half times 6.2 units, that's just 3.1 units. Okay, so for Simon, we need to take away 3.1 unit. He is left with another 3.1 units. Okay, where did this 3.1 unit go to? It went to Brian. Now, as a result, Brian's stickers increased by 50%. Okay, so for Brian, we know that that 50% increase was really because of that 3.1 unit that he got from Simon, right? And when I say it's increased by 50%, it means the final percentage will be 100% plus 50%. The final percentage is 150% for Brian. So how do you go from 50 to 150? Times by 3. 3.1 times 3 is 9.3 units. So I know for a fact that Brian has 9.3 units of stickers at the end, and this was 180 more than Eric. Okay, take note, this is for Eric and this is for Brian. So what's the difference between these two people? 9.3 minus 4.8. That will be 4.5 units. So 4.5 units will be the difference of 180 stickers. How many stickers did Eric have at first? Eric had 6 units at first. So we can find 1 unit. $180 divided by 4.5, that would be 40. And then we can find Eric's 6 units. $240 is the answer for this question.